These are the best crypto bonus codes in 2026. I will show you how to apply the most beneficial crypto exchange bonus codes to get huge discounts on your trading fees and thousands of dollars in welcome rewards. The three biggest crypto exchanges that we will cover today are Binance, MEXC, and Bitget. Let's get into it. First is Binance. By using the Binance promo code on the screen right now, BBK640Y5, you can potentially enjoy a lifetime discount of up to 20% on every single trade that you make on the Binance platform, whether that is spot or futures market. If you pay transactions fees in Binance Coin or BNB, you will also receive an additional 25% discounts on spot and margin trading costs. This translates to a significant saving of up to 45% in total fee rebates, especially for frequent traders. Binance provides attractive sign-up bonuses to incentivize new users. By using the referral code on the screen during registration, you can become eligible for a 600 USDT welcome bonus. You have to complete your KYC verification on Binance to unlock a bonus of 20 USDT. You will also receive additional 30 USDT for your first deposit and an extra 50 USDT for your first trade. Then head towards the rewards hub and find more tasks to earn more rewards, up to thousands of dollars. So in total, using our invitation code during sign-up can potentially grant you up to 600 USDT or even thousands of dollars in bonus codes, giving your crypto trading journey a head start. Second is MEXC. For MEXC Crypto Exchange, our referral code is MEXC-CNJYT, the best referral code in the industry. While signing up, make sure to put the code in the referral code box or just click the link down in the description and in the comments so that it automatically applies when registering. Using our code, you stand the chance of earning numerous rewards. As you can see, 10% trading fees rebates for spot, futures, and DEX, and up to $10,000 in rewards. Next, head to the rewards hub. This is where 10,000 USDT bonus awaits for you. For a new user, you can complete different tasks to earn more rewards, starting with 20 USDT. There are also advanced challenges where you can try different things like copy trading or trader experience task to earn you even more rewards. The more you complete these challenges, the more rewards will be shown to you. And finally is Bitget Exchange. The best referral code for Bitget Exchange is CNJYT1. That is our referral code that can give you 20% discount on all of your trading fees, including spot and futures. Also, a whopping 6,200 USDT sign-up bonus. Click the link down in the description and in the comments to automatically apply this code when you are signing up. Once you are done signing up, make sure to complete your KYC. The first exclusive rewards that will show to you is the new user task, giving you 200 USDT. You just have to check in for 3 days and that's it. There is also the deposit and trading challenge where you can earn up to $6,000. The first task will give you 50 USDT by depositing more than 1,000 USDT and trading volumes in the futures market reaching $300,000 or more. Then you can move forward to the 400 USDT and 6,000 USDT rewards. There are also the advanced tasks where you can complete daily tasks to earn you points. Now, these points are crucial because it can be redeemed for straight up money. For example, 200 points for $2 or 500 points for $5. Or you can also swap it for La Liga merch. And that is our best crypto bonus codes for 2026. Today, I gave you the top referral codes for you to get the maximum amount of rewards in top 3 exchanges, Binance, MEXC, and Bitget. Now, I will constantly update our referral code, so no matter when you're watching this video, you will always get the best rewards possible. So make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas and use our referral codes in the comments and in the description to get the best bonus. Thank you so much for watching. Daily out.